Dude, I'm so glad you're here! Welcome to Hot Wheels Unlimited! You know what we're all about here. Awesome cars, crazy challenges, and building the coolest tracks around, right? Right! So first up, you're gonna wanna head over to Hot Wheels City, where there's a trunkload of challenges to test your skills. Win a challenge, get a wheel. Win enough of them, and bam, you've got a shiny new ride. All right, there's so many to collect, I just can't keep count. So buckle up and start your engines. This is gonna be one awesome ride. Yo, check out this ride. Roger Dodger's a classic. Power, speed, and style. I mean, have you seen that engine? It can be all yours for some red wheels. Let's go get some. Bam! First challenge. Hit it. Challenge accepted. I hope you've got your thinking cap on. This is a puzzle trial. Your goal is to fix the track in order to get your car from this launcher to the finish ring. Can you do it? Sure you can. Here are your track pieces. Boom! Get busy building. Just grab a track piece, slide them over, and drop them where you think they fit. Perfect! You got this! All right, let's finish up the track. Test your track at any time by pressing the Go button. Alrighty then, just smash the Go button and go get your red wheel. Two-finger controls. Here's a loaner until you get your own ride. Pull the launcher all the way back to get your car going. Keep on tapping. Here we go. Keep going, champ. One red wheel coming right up. Challenge cleared. We've got one more in store. Hit it. This is a race challenge. Time to bring your A game. Gotta tap. Two-finger controls. Awesome launch! Show me what you've got. Was cool. Challenge cleared. Stellar. Roger Dodger is ready to roll. We'll check out your garage later. I've got something much better lined up. That's a ton of track pieces! Connect them to your launcher and get building. See that big arch over there? That's your goal. It'll move with you as you build your track. Neat, huh? check this out. I've got something amazing to show you. Tap here. When you're ready to race your track, slap the race button. No rush though. Take your time. Make it awesome. Want to test your track real quick? Check this out! Ready to race? What did the tornado say to the sports car? Want to go for a spin? Cool track! Want to hit the road? Looks like you can get some slick drifts around those bends. Ready to race? Cool track! Want to hit the road? What do you get when dinosaurs crash their cars? Tyrannosaurus Rex! All right, now check this out. Stunt tracks. Yeah, that's what Hot Wheels is all about. Hot Wheels? Ready to race? Hot Wheels Ultimate Pass! Just tap on a car and watch it go. Props! You can use them wherever you like to create awesome scenery for your races. Cool track! Want to hit the... All right, final upgrade. You ready? Voila! Did you ever try to find a treasure hunt logo while looking at Hot Wheels packages at the store? These are super ready to race? Cool track! Want to hit the road? Why can't motorcycles hold themselves up? Because they're too tired! Ready to race? Did you know that there are over 100,000 models and variations of Hot Wheels cars? I can't even picture that in my mind. Cool track! Want to hit the road? Ready to race? What do you get when you cross two nemeses? Short answer, you don't want to cross them. Trust me. Cool track! Want to hit the road? Terrains! Painting terrains is like painting with your fingers. Tap on a color in the tray to select it, then swipe your finger to paint. How many custom tracks have you all built yet? Me? Over 9,000. Ready to race? Cool track! Want to hit the road? Right on! I'll race you on this track anytime. Ready to race? Why are pigs the worst drivers? Because they hog the road! Cool track! Wanna hit the road? Gotta love the Build-A-Race Fest. You get to work on smarts and speed. What's ready to race? Press the spin button for a random name, or swipe the reels to create one. Choose your ride. Race on! See these? Two-finger controls. Was cool. And the winner is Bone Shaker.